Struggling to add an image to a Jira comment? In 2 minutes, you will know exactly how to do it. We will open your Jira project, find the task, and add an image to a comment in just a few clicks. I have done this dozens of times across different projects, and I can tell you it is simpler than it looks once you know exactly where to click. So first things first, go ahead and log into your Jira account. This is just your normal login screen where you put in your email and password. It will probably redirect you to your main dashboard where all your projects are listed. Now, on the left side panel, you will see a list of your projects. Click on the one you are currently working on. Maybe it is a software project or a business project. It doesn't matter. The steps are identical for all of them. Once you click it, you will be taken into the project view, where all your tasks and issues live. From here, look for the specific task that you want to comment on. Maybe it is a bug you need to report, or a feature request where you want to add a screenshot. Just click on the name of that task to open it up. This will open the full issue view on the right side of your screen. And here is the part where people usually get stuck. On the right side panel, you need to locate the activity section. It is usually collapsed or hidden behind a tab. Scroll down a little bit and you'll find it. It says Activity, and right below that is where all the comments, history, and logs live. Now, within that activity section, look for the comments area. It will probably show you any existing comments that people have already left. If there are none, it will just show an empty space ready for you to fill. Go ahead and click where it says Add a Comment. This will open up a text box where you can type your message. But we are not just typing today. We are adding an image. In the toolbar just above that text box, you will see a small plus icon. It looks like a little square with a plus sign inside it. Go ahead and click on that. A drop-down menu will appear with a few options. You want to click on Add Image, Video, or File. This opens up your computer's file browser. No need to worry about formats. Jira accepts most common image types like PNG, JPG, and even GIFs. Browse through your files and select the image you want to attach to this comment. Maybe it is a screenshot of an error, a mock-up, or a reference photo. Once you have selected it, click Open or Choose, depending on your operating system. Now, Jira will start uploading the image. This might take a moment to process, depending on the file size. You will see a small progress indicator. Once it is done, the image will appear inline inside your comment box, ready to be seen by anyone who reads it. Before you leave, make sure to click the Save button down at the bottom of the comment box. If you do not click Save, your comment and image will disappear like they never existed, so always double-check that step. And that is it. You have successfully added an image to a Jira comment. Now you can share screenshots, diagrams, and photos with your team in seconds. No more guessing, no more searching through menus. Just a few clicks and you are done.